How do you debug AI models in Azure AI? If you are curious about how to debug artificial intelligence models in Azure Artificial Intelligence, you are in the right place. Debugging is essential for ensuring that your models perform well and make accurate predictions. Let's break down the steps and tools available for this process. First, understanding the behavior of your model is key. You can start with Azure AI Search, which uses skillsets. These are pipelines of artificial intelligence skills that analyze and transform data. The Debug Sessions tool in the Azure portal provides a visual representation of how these skillsets execute. This helps you identify where inputs or outputs might be missing or incorrect. It is particularly helpful for fixing errors in workflows like language detection or entity recognition. Next, if you are working with machine learning pipelines in Azure Machine Learning, you can debug your Python scripts interactively. Using Visual Studio Code, you can attach the Debug debugger to your running training or pipeline script. This requires setting up an Azure Machine Learning workspace and compute resources within an Azure virtual network. With this setup, you can inspect your code step by step, making it easier to troubleshoot issues in real time. Another important tool is the Responsible Artificial Intelligence Dashboard. This dashboard focuses on ethical and fairness aspects of your models. It allows for interactive debugging that includes error analysis, performance evaluation, and bias detection. This is especially important in fields like healthcare or finance, where fairness in predictions is critical. Monitoring your model's performance is also vital. Common problems like overfitting, where the model is too tailored to training data, or underfitting, where the model is too simple, can be diagnosed using Azure Machine Learning logs. Azure Monitor and Application Insights help track model behavior and deployment health. You can perform root cause analysis to identify issues in data ingestion, training, or inference stages. Tools like SHAP and Lime can provide explanations for model predictions, which can assist in debugging. Before deploying your models, you can also debug scoring scripts locally. Using the Azure Machine Learning Inference Server package integrated with Visual Studio Code, you can test your inference logic. This local testing allows you to catch errors early in the development cycle. You can run either dummy or actual scoring scripts in a controlled environment, using the debugging modes in Visual Studio Code to step through your code. Debugging artificial intelligence models in Azure Artificial Intelligence involves a range of tools and techniques. From analyzing data enrichment pipelines to interactive code debugging and ethical considerations, these resources help developers identify bugs and improve model accuracy. By utilizing these tools, you can ensure that your models are reliable and perform as expected.